Understanding visual narrative. A guide to storytelling through images. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into an exciting aspect of communication, visual narrative. This concept plays a crucial role in how stories are told in movies, comics, photographs, and even in everyday communication. If you've ever been moved by a picture or a scene in a movie, you've experienced the power of visual narrative. Let's explore how images can tell compelling stories without the need for words. Visual narrative is a way of storytelling that uses visual media. It is the art of conveying a series of messages using images. These images can be photographs, illustrations, graphics, or any visual media. Unlike traditional storytelling, which relies on words and sounds, visual narrative uses visuals to evoke emotions, understanding, and reaction from the viewer. Think of it as reading a story, but instead of words, you're reading pictures. There are several key elements that make up a visual narrative. 1. Composition. This is how the elements in an image are arranged. It guides the viewer's eye and can direct attention to the most important parts of the story. 2. Color. Colors can set the mood, represent emotions, or symbolize different things. For instance, red can represent love or danger, depending on the context. 3. Lighting. This can create atmosphere, highlight important details, or convey a particular time of day or emotion. 4. Perspective and depth. The angle and depth can add layers to the story, making it more dynamic and interesting. Visual narratives are powerful because they transcend language barriers. Images can be understood and appreciated by people regardless of their language. Engage the viewer. Visual stories can be more engaging than text-based stories. They require the viewer to interpret and connect the dots, making the experience more interactive. Evoke emotion. Images can evoke emotions quickly and effectively, making the narrative more impactful and memorable. Visual narrative is everywhere. Here's how it appears in different mediums. 1. Movies and TV. Directors use visual storytelling to bring scripts to life, using camera angles, lighting, and set design. 2. Photography. Photographers tell stories through their lens, capturing moments that represent larger narratives. 3. Graphic novels and comics. These are classic examples of visual narratives, where images and texts combine to tell a story. 4. Advertising. Brands use visual storytelling to convey their message and connect with their audience emotionally. Visual narrative is a fascinating and powerful tool for storytelling. It goes beyond words, tapping into our emotions and imagination. Whether you're watching a movie, looking at a photograph, or reading a comic book, understanding the elements of visual narrative can enrich your experience and appreciation of the story. We hope this video helps you see the stories that surround you in a new light. Keep exploring, and let the visuals around you tell their tales. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.